What up, guys? John Brown here with Explore Park City Living, and today we're going to be talking about how it's that time of year again in Park City. The leaves are changing, most of them are already changed, temps are dropping, it's already snowed, and if you're anything like me, you got your ski boots sitting by the door, you've already tested them on, and winter 2025, 2026 is coming fast, and I've got all the resort opening dates, major updates, insider tips to help you, get ready for the winter. So let's get into it. Before we get into it, I'm going to share some shots of me getting ready this past weekend, hitting the airbag at the Utah Olympic Park. And yeah, I used to ski
You did it!
professionally, so I haven't hit the airbag or got my tricks going like this in years. So it was super fun to get up there and get those going and kind of get excited for winter. Now that the kids are back in school and temps are dropping and snowing, and we're doing our snow dance, so we can shred the greatest snow on earth. Here are when the ski resorts are planning to open and get those lifts spinning. So Brian Head, November 1st, earliest. Brian Head's usually always the earliest. It's southern Utah, but it's got crazy elevation. I think the base is at 10,000 or something like that. I don't know. I can't remember exactly, but it's crazy. They're usually open first. I've never skied there, but Solitude opens November 14th. Alta, Park City, both open November 21st. Snowbird, November 27th. Woodward and Snow Basin, November 28th. Deer Valley, December 1st. Pass holders get November 29th. So if you're pass holder, little country club day, how Deer Valley can you get? Powder Mountain, and Nordic Valley, December 12th, as well as Sundance, December 5th. Brighton, Beaver, Eagle Point, they're all to be determined. All these are kind of to be determined there, but for now, that's their projected opening dates, right? So, what's new this season? The biggest story on what's new this season is Deer Valley's East Village, and they just added 7 new lifts for this year, 80 plus runs, total transformation. I'll be doing an in-depth video just on the ski stuff that's opening and everything there, but besides that, I mean, I have other videos on the real estate around Deer Valley East Village and stuff like that. So check out the channel, and I'll be coming out with more and more because that is a huge expansion and there's a lot of buzz on it. So we'll be covering that on the channel. So stay tuned. Park City brand new 10-person sunrise gondola is ready to debut on opening day. Sundance just expanded with 60 acres of new terrain, tree runs, shoots, intermediate groomers, so that's super exciting. Woodward has an all-new season pass for both winter and summer access. I'll be skiing Woodward. It's super fun. Park only. It's great for the kids to get out there. They have progression for all ages, which is awesome. And also, their prices are cheaper than last year. Everyone else is raising prices. Woodward's slashing them. So great value there. And for the winter outlook, NOAA is saying La Nina might hit us with a cooler, wetter conditions, but could swing either way. We're right on that cusp where it might hit north of us, or might get us. So we're kind of on the edge there. But even below average winters here still drop hundreds of inches of snow. Like we got the biggest winter on record a few winters ago, and so ever since then it's just been kind of like really good winters. But we're like, but that old winter. So even a good winter is going to blow everything out of the water in regards to much of anywhere else. So, Epic versus Icon. So that's a huge question. Epic Pass is 1,097. Includes Park City, Vail, Whistler. I mean, other places, but those are the main. So if you're in Park City and you want to ski Park City Mountain Resort, Epic all day long. Pays for itself pretty quickly. And same with the Icon. The Icon is 1,429. It has unlimited at Solitude. That's the only place in Utah it has unlimited, or in like Salt Lake has unlimited. But you also get up to 7 days at Snowbird or Alta and Deer Valley and Brighton. So if you don't mind going down to Salt Lake and then going back up the Cottonwoods canyons to get some of that more maybe steeper, more powder at the Snowbird Alta, repping Alta right here. I am actually on their athlete team as well as Snowbirds, so I love going over there as well as Park City and Woodward, but very interested to see what Deer Valley has. I might have to get a Deer Valley seasons pass because currently I do not have one. Events coming up. We got Warren Miller's Snow Society premiering October 18th. We got Park City Ski Swap November 7th to the 9th. Shot Ski on Main Street, that was last weekend, sorry. Jan's Winter Welcome October 25th at the Stein Erickson Lodge. Also, pro tip, if you're heading into the backcountry, check out Utah Avalanche Center. They also have a great app. So if you're heading out to the backcountry, you can check the avalanche forecast and make sure it is safe out there. Also, don't blindly fly by the seat of your pants just based off of what they say. Also have your head on your shoulders when you get out there. So respect uphill travel policies, stay safe. Always check Utah Avalanche Center and have Beacon probe a shovel every time and know how to use it. So if you haven't hit a ski swap yet either, go get those deals before gear season goes full throttle and you're paying full price scrambling to get some new ski gear. So I actually have to get on that. I'm getting new stuff this year. I got to figure it out. So I'll see you guys at this ski swap. See, maybe there's something there. As in, I don't have sponsors anymore, so I can kind of wear whatever I want. So it'll be kind of a fun year to wear whatever I want and ski whatever I want. I don't have a ski sponsor either, so that's interesting. I might do a video here, testing out some other skis I want to have, because I've always actually been had to ski the ski that I was my sponsor, so I never actually had that much of a wide variety of skis I get to ski. So it'll be an interesting year. I'm excited for it. But whether you're here as a local or you're visiting, Utah ski scene isn't just about powder. It's about performance, lifestyle, and other people that live for it, right? Saying I always say, people come here for the skiing and then they stay for the summer, but everyone gets excited once winter comes around, because this is what we live for. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in a ski town this winter, I'd love to help. So see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Peace.